For question 4, you're looking at the data class. It has a static final int member called max that's public, and it has a private 2D integer array member called grid. It has a public void repopulate method, and it has a public integer countIncreasingCols method. The data class, you draw this. You have a public integer member max. You have a private 2D integer array member grid. You have a repopulate method that's public and returns void, and you have a countIncreasingCols method that's public and returns int. For question 4b, you're writing the countIncreasingCols method, which returns the number of columns in grid that are in increasing order. A column is considered to be in increasing order if the element in each row after the first row is greater than or equal to the element in the previous row. A column with only one row is considered to be in increasing order. For question 4b, you're writing the integer method countIncreasingCols. You're setting an initial flag variable to true. You're iterating over every member of the grid in column major order, so your outer loop is grid sub 0.length and your inner loop is grid.length, and you're starting the j at 1 because you're looking at if the previous column's number was smaller, set your flag to false, and then in the outer loop, if the flag never got set to false, increment increasing columns, because if the flag never got set to false, there wasn't a single column that was decreasing. And then finally at the end, return increasing columns. I normally make videos teaching you how to code in Java, JavaScript, and Python, so if that sounds interesting to you, please subscribe.